do-it-yourself concrete repair, well, it might turn out to be more of a short-term Band-Aid sort of a fix. Here to tell us why is Jade Owens, who is Director of Operations with Baird Foundation Repair. Welcome. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Okay, so what kind of do-it-yourself options are out there?
Honestly, there aren't a ton when it comes to concrete repair. The biggest one we see is trying to seal joints and cracks. So there's some different, products you can buy at Home Depot or Lowe's that are more. Theirs aren't very long lasting, but they will seal the joints, as well as some sealers you can put on top of the concrete. They're Band-Aids, right? That's essentially what they are.
Yeah, because when you're dealing with concrete, I mean, it's made to last and you really have to know what you're doing. So some of the best products out there for do-it-yourself, like you said, you may find them there at the home centers or anything like that. But so how are your repair solutions different?
Yeah, so what's different about them is they are built to be longer lasting, right? We use a polyurethane foam that can actually lift and level the concrete. So that's something you're not going to find at those stores. And that's really going to solve the root issue. And then, of course, we also have those joint and crack sealers too. But what's different about those is that they are UV resistant. And so especially in Texas, they're not going to shrivel up or dry out when exposed to a lot of heat. And then the sealers that go on top of your concrete. Those are things that, in my opinion, you do want a professional to do, just because it does take a level of skill to really apply it correctly.
Okay, and when you're talking about like leveling, because I think most people would have thought, oh, I'll just put some concrete on top, and then it looks like you got this bad patch right there and everything like that.
Right.
And like you said, you do it the right way. A lot of different solutions there, and you can find out, I mean, and we don't have a whole lot of time here, but at the Home and Garden Show, you're going to be there, right?
Yes, yeah. Come visit us at the Home and Garden Show, booth 759. We'll have our experts there that can go into a lot more detail and talk specifically about, the problems that you're specifically seeing and what could fix those.
Okay, now then the other problem is, if I'm going to have this big repair done and everything like that, how long is it going to last? So warranty comes into question.
Yeah, definitely. So all of our products are backed by a warranty. You can get up to 5 years. And honestly, the products are made to last a lot longer than that, especially with the polyurethane foam and things like that. They will stand the test of time. This is really more protecting just the normal wear and tear that you'll see over time.
And you have a special deal for folks too, right?
Yes, we do. So mention that you saw us here today and you'll get $250 off your project.
Wow, that's really, really nice. So again, mention SA Live to get $250 off your final proposal price with Baird Foundation Repair. They also offer a military discount. Just call 210-53-BAIRD. That's 210-532-2473. For more information, go to the website, gobairdgo.com, and of course, visit them at the Home and Garden Show this weekend. Jade, thank you very much.
Thank you.